We learned that the particle ni is used for goal of movement and specific time. Ni can also be used for location. Remember that ni has a pinpoint and stable goal. It moves and arrives at one specific point, and it stays there after it arrives. We already learned location particle de, such as プールで泳ぐ、スーパーで買い物をする、部屋で寝る。When we use ni after location words, the verb should be non-action verb, such as いる to exist, ある to exist, 住む to live, 泊まる to stay overnight, etc. あそこに犬がいる。日本に住んでいる。ホテルに泊まる。The concept of non-action verb can be confusing, but generally it means to stay in one specific narrow place and to not move. Sitting on the chair or sofa also takes ni. ソファーに座る because your bottom goes to stable and pinpoint goal and does not move after you sit. If you dance on the sofa, use で ソファーで踊る However, to sleep, 寝る is an action verb. So, ソファーで寝る